Look at the snow up here. Whoa. Yeah. All right, well, this is the majestic view of the day for sure. I want to go down there. Man, this thing's heavy. So this is a little slide in here. I'm just gonna slide. Oh shit! Woo! Crap, that's deep. Oh, I think this is gonna slide out. Whew! I'm gonna have to be careful here. I'm gonna go really slow because this is gonna frickin' slide. Yeah, I don't have any speed because this is all gonna go. I'm a little not happy about it, but whatever. It's all good. There it goes. And I'll just do another turn. And I'm gonna get into the center where I know there's some rocks. And there we go. We're gonna ski down here. Look at it go. Woo! So good. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Whoa! You! Oh! Woo! Yee-hoo! Yeah! Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That's it up there. Up here again, lap 2. I think there's a few tracks now. No gimbal this time. All right, so a little sketchy entrance in, and then let's just see here. Whew. Whew. Can I go down there? I can do this. All right, I gotta talk to myself a bit. Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh! I don't believe I just did that.